channel. Today I have two nice woofers from Rockford Fosgate from the audiophile series. They should be from 93 or 94, so they are almost 30 years old, and they all feature one common problem, especially the woofers with the heavier cones have it. It's called spider sag. They have a saggy spider. That means that the cone is lower than usual. I made this video just to show quickly how to solve the problem. So what you need is a bottle of water, warm water, hairdryer. So I just put 4 wood sticks of this kind below the cone to support the spider on 4 positions. And then just give it a shot. Don't be scared, it's brutal, but it works, believe me.